Okay, so now we will discuss the Pandas data frame object. The next fundamental structure in Pandas is the data frame. Like the series object discussed in the previous lectures, the data frame can be thought of either as a generalization of a NumPy array or as a specialization of a Python dictionary. We'll now take a look at each of these perspectives, starting it off with the data frame as a generalized NumPy array. So if a series is an analog of a one-dimensional array with flexible indices, a data frame is an analog of a two-dimensional array with both flexible row indices and flexible column names. Just as you might think of a two-dimensional array as an ordered sequence of aligned one-dimensional columns, you can think of a data frame as a sequence of aligned series objects. Here by aligned, we mean that they share the same index. To demonstrate this, let's first construct a new series listing the area of each of the 5 states discussed in the previous lecture, starting it off with now area. What we will do is to copy that down. We have making a slight changes now. The spaces. Let's see if we have done. We will enter after Florida. Got this. So yes, we are on the row. Area pd dot series we got this. So now that we have this along with the population series from before, we can use a dictionary to construct a single two-dimensional object containing this information. States dot data frame population area we got the error. Let's look at the error. Population area. I don't think so. We should get an error. Spelling check should be done. We missed the double so we got a table here. Like the series object, the data frame has an index attribute that gives access to the index labels. States. We got this. Additionally, the data frame has a columns attribute, which is an index object holding the column labels. States dot so thus the data frame can be thought of as a generalization of a two-dimensional NumPy array where the both The rows and the columns have a generalized index for accessing the data. Now using DataFrame as specialized dictionary.